Welcome back to Tech Tutorials on Catalyst University. My name is Kevin Tokoph. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for future videos and notifications. In this video, I'm going to show you how to, on PremierePro, take a clip and speed it up or slow it down. Sometimes, depending on what kind of video you're doing or what your purpose is, you may want to speed something up or slow it down. So let me show you what this clip looks like at normal speed, 100%. So this is just kind of an old game I used to play called Dig Dug. So what you do is, if you have a Windows, a PC, you can actually just right-click anywhere on the clip. If you have a Mac, what you have to do is hold the control button, and then while you're holding that, just click on the clip anywhere. So holding the control button, I click, and it comes up with this little menu. So go ahead and kind of move down here towards the bottom, and you'll see something that says Speed and Duration. You're going to click this. All right, and so what you can do is, there's actually a lot of cool things here. You can actually reverse the entire clip, which, as long as you haven't unlinked the video and audio from each other, this reverse speed will actually play the clip backwards with the audio backwards. But let's actually do this. So let's actually speed this up 250%. So this will actually be 2.5 times faster than it was. So click OK. All right, sometimes depending on the length of your clip, it can take a couple minutes for that to process. But let's go ahead and go back to the beginning and play this again. Now you notice what happened there. Whenever I sped up the video that much, you'll notice the pitch of whatever audio is in the clip actually changed. What you can actually do, sometimes you may want it to go up in pitch, or if you slow it down, it'll be at a lower pitch. But if you don't want that to happen, go ahead and click on this clip again once you're holding control on a Mac, or just right-click on it on a PC. Go back to this, scroll down back to Speed and Duration, and what you can actually do is check this box for Maintain Audio Pitch. So even though the clip will have sped up, it'll still be at the same pitch. The audio will be at the same pitch as if you didn't speed it up. So let's actually look at what that looks like. And like I said, sometimes it can take a little bit to actually render the file, particularly when you also speed it up. Okay? And there you have it. That's how you can speed up a clip or slow it down and either have the audio pitch changed or leave it unchanged. All right? So hopefully this helped you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for future videos and notifications. Thank you.